Automatic bread production line is an advanced and effective technology, helping to increase productivity and ensure product quality. It not only saves time and manpower, but also ensures the final product has stable quality and meets market needs. Looking at these funny little bagels, do you feel interesting? With its delicate round shape and great taste, bagels are a perfect choice for every meal occasion. The automatic production line of tin bread with sesame seeds with a large capacity of 1,350 kilograms per hour is a breakthrough in the food industry. With the ability to mass and continuously produce, this line does not only helps enhance performance, but also ensures quality and uniformity in the final product. But also a symbol of modernity and convenience in the cake production process. With fully automatic features, this machine helps create uniform dough balls and ensures final product quality. The automatic extrusion process saves time and labor, while enhancing production efficiency. The versatility of the machine allows it to be suitable for many different types of cakes, from bread and biscuits to cakes and sandwiches. This helps meet diverse market needs and optimize production processes. Donuts with smooth dough are not only an attractive dessert, but also a creative work of art in the culinary world. With a smooth layer of dough covering the outside, the donuts become more attractive than ever. In particular, the softness and lightness of the dough makes each piece of cake more special and enjoyable than ever. Discovering each piece of cake with its smooth layer of dough, you will feel the smoothness and blend of sweetness, fat and mild spicy taste. This is not only a culinary experience, but also a journey of discovering surprising flavors. With a delicate combination of ingredients and processing techniques, the donuts with smooth dough are iconic, of creativity and originality in the art of cooking. Looking at cheese production lines with the Vimag system, you cannot help but be impressed by the complete automation and precision in every step. Each cheese ball is created evenly and uniformly, ensuring the quality of the final product. The flexibility of the Bimag system allows the production of many different types of cheese, from soft cheese to hard cheese, from cheese bars to cheese cubes. This helps meet the diverse needs of the market and brings rich choices to consumers. Industrial production of plant-based nuggets is an important process in the plant food industry, playing an important role in providing balance to nutritious food options for consumers. The process of producing plant-based nuggets usually begins with the selection of high-quality plant ingredients, such as grains, seeds, almonds, or seeds. Then this ingredient is pureed and processed to create nuggets. Producing pizza dough is a complex but fascinating process, requiring a high level of technique and expertise to create a final product. Vegetable chopper is a versatile and effective device for food preparation. With the thoroughness and precision of the cutting blade, the machine is capable of cutting vegetables into thin slices or slices quickly and evenly. Potato processing line with capacity of 25 tons per hour is a notable investment in the food industry. With such impressive capacity, this line is capable of processing large quantities of potatoes per hour, meeting the mass production needs of food businesses. Look at green apples with their shiny appearance and fresh green color. They are not only a delicious fruit, but also bring many nutritional benefits. The freshness and appeal of green apples often evoke a feeling of freshness and refreshment. Removing lemon peel costs you a lot of time and effort. Using a peeler properly not only saves you time, but also ensures safety and efficiency when working in the kitchen.